In this tutorial, we will show you how to create resources, assign them to a task, and how you can quickly view resource allocation. On the Schedule tab, left-click Resources. In the first row, type in the resource name. In our example, we will call it Resource 1. For resource types, you can select from Work, Material, or Cost. The resource is a work type. Set the maximum unit value to 100% and the rate to $100 per hour. To assign the resource to an activity, open the project view. Double-click on the task ID to open the task information. Click the Resources tab, click on the first row of the resource column, and select Resource 1. You can adjust the resource units for the task in the unit column. Changing the resource units changes the amount of work, hours, the resource is scheduled to perform for the specified task. The resource view provides a quick summary of resource allocation. To see how many units and the peak allocation for each resource, left-click the Chart checkbox, which can be found beside the resource. The Peak Units chart shows the highest resource usage for any period during the project.